What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a FPGA Friday update, guys. Today, of course, we are going to go over the Osprey E100 VU33P that I have from Osprey Electronics. Remember, you cannot buy this model in specifically, but you can purchase the E300 VU35P, the E100, which is a single board of the E300 VU35P, or the big brother to what I have, which is the E300 VU33P, because I have the E100 version of this, which is not on the store yet, but soon to be coming. But right now, up until Valentine's Day, you guys can save $400 off of the big brother of my machine currently, and up to, I think it's $200 off the 35 version, and then $100 off the E100 version of the 35. So do check those out. The links in the comment, or the links and the coupon codes, are down in the description below. So please use those while you can up until the 15th. After that day, they will be null and void right now. So today we are going to go over the Alephium bitstream that has released for the E300s and 100s of the VU33P. So it's been out for, well, it came out for the 35, and I actually installed it before I left on my last trip, but that was mainly for the 35s, and I should have waited personally, instead of just hurrying and installing it, even though I wasn't going to use it, because that version does not work with the E300 VU33P, which is what I have. So there is a newer version out, but in order for you to use that version, if you have already updated, if you updated ahead of the the actual auto update that came out, which I updated before, all right, preemptively, shouldn't have done it, but I did, and I will show you how to fix that and how to basically let it reload the most current stream possible. That way, just in case it doesn't work for you, you know how to do it. All right, and it's going to be using PuTTY. So if you don't know how to use PuTTY or SSH into your E300s or your Osprey devices, we're going to show you that here live on the show today. All right, now we can check right here. Yeah, right here. So I'm currently stopped. Now, in order to do this, if you do not know how to do it, you're going to be puttying into your machine. So you're going to have to open PuTTY. Pretty simple. And we're going to go to our machine, which is 10.0.39. Yep. Alright, so now you can see we're here. Now to log in, it's kind of hard to show this for you, but your user is Ubuntu. So Ubuntu. Not Ru2, and your password to log into the machine is temp pwd. It's temp password. That logs you into your machine, right? So now we are logged in to our E300 or E100 in this case, as you can see right here, running on ARM v7.1, which is the Xilinx or the Zinc control board. All right, now you have to enter in this little bit right here. All right, so like I said, you just got to right here, which is sudo rm/opt/alphium/bits. All right, and then you're just gonna go here, Control Shift V. So it will actually, or can we just Control V into the? Yeah, there we go. So Control Shift V will paste it right into the Ubuntu window. Of course, once you do that, once you sudo, you have to enter in your password. So temp pwd, there we go. So don't forget the asterisk at the top, the little star. As soon as you do that, you won't get an argument back like I did at first. So just do that. Now we're done. So now we can just close out of PuTTY. All right, so you sure you want to end the session? Yes. All right, so we already had Alephium here, right? But in order for the new stream to reload, we have to rerun the Alephium stream. All right, so we'll click Alephium, and then we will grab our Alephium address, and then we will get to hashing. which you can see right here, it is starting the re-event daemon and re-downloading the bitstream currently. And we are ready to start, about to start hashing. Alright, as you can see, it says it's done loading. Right there. End of status. And we are about to get ready. Get set. Boom, we are hashing. Got accepted shares, no hardware errors, and we are running probably the most aggressive that we can right now. And of course it's like fluctuating pretty heavy. 3.5, 3.6, 3.5, 3.4. So it's going to kind of vary here and there. Of course, it's never going to be exactly always the same. Some algorithms are pretty stable, but this one seems to be kind of fluctuating a little bit. But the good thing is that we have no hardware errors, so therefore we are we're good to go there, right? You guys can't see the bad hardware errors, huh? That is that. Now let's test out the rest of these real fast, and we'll get right back to this. Alright, so after all the testing we just went ahead and did, I noticed that it seems on this clock right here for the 800 and 770, we were actually throwing a lot of errors. Even increasing the voltage up to 800 seemed to like not actually help it, and actually gave me a lesser hash rate than even just going down to 750 and 720 on the voltage. So I'm not really sure like what actually happened there, but this clock I know we definitely will not be running those two, and we will be running basically, I'm gonna run this one, the 3 gigahashes at 750 on the core and 720 on the voltage, and that will give us a pretty good hash rate. And we even tried unmineable, and it is currently hashing on unmineable, so you can actually try that out now as it speaks. So FA to that. But guys, I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your Friday. I will hope to catch y'all on DCA Adventure tonight. If not, I will see y'all on Saturday's DCA Adventure. Because, you know, I am not here right now. So, much love, guys. Peace out. Stay hashing. And we'll see y'all next time. Stay savage.